Hello children, we are reading lesson 1 of civics. We are reading the organization of village panchayat. Almost all villages in India has divided into three. One is Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. Gram Sabha, every member of village who is 18 years of age and above 18 are the member of Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha members elect 7 to 30 members of Gram Panchayat and head was Sarpanch. Sarpanch was the head of the village Panchayat and Panchayat secretary is a paid officer of the Panchayat and Panchayat was elected for 5 years. Let's start from the functions of village Panchayat. The functions of village Panchayat can be divided into two classes. One is essential or compulsory function, other is optional or voluntary functions. Essential or compulsory functions. The following are the essential and compulsory functions of a village Panchayat. Construction and repair of village roads and waterways, planting trees. Next, construction and repair of village wells and tanks. Provision of light on roads and streets. Provision of clean drinking water. Sanitation and public health. Maintenance of public places. Cleanliness of public streets. Some more are there in the next page. Go for the next page. Collections of rents, keeping a record of birth and death, maintenance of burial and cremations ground, removal of encroachment on roads and street, supply of good seeds and fertilizer, promoting minor agriculture and irrigation facilities, looking after facilities like village, grazing, ground and the nearby forest, supervision of primary schools, welfare of the weaker section, supervision over the work of government servants like the patwari, lekpal, the police constable, chowkidar, the vaccinator and the peon. These are the compulsory functions of the Panchayat, village Panchayat. Now, some are the optional functions or voluntary functions. The village Panchayat is also expected to perform the following optional or voluntary functions. First, management of hospital for the cattle, management of village market. Next, organization, recreation and entertainment programs, for example, akhada and village sports. Next, opening and maintaining reading room and library. Next, holding village fairs. Next, management of hospital, maternity and child welfare center. Next, setting up of drinking water huts, piyau. These are all optional functions of the village Panchayat. Go to the next page, you will see what are the sources of income. Following are some of the sources of income. To do work, village Panchayat needs some money. From where they get, let's start from where they are getting, what are their sources of income. First, taxes on houses and shops. They get tax from house and shop. Fairs and markets. Fee from the registration of the sale and purchase of the cattle. Income from the sale of public property. Government grants. Income from trees and garbages. Loans from banks. These are the sources of income of the village Panchayat. Next, what is Nyay Panchayat? In many states, Nyay Panchayat have also been formed. Generally, there is one Nyay Panchayat for 3 to 4 villages. In 4 villages, there may be one Nyay Panchayat. The village Panchayat elects members for the Nyay Panchayat. The Nyay Panchayat is given the authority to perform the certain judicial functions. It deals with minor cases of trespass, thefts and other petty crimes. For small disputes, no lawyers are needed and thus these are settled quickly. Nyay Panchayat is suppose a village Panchayat. It is 3-4 village joined together and form a one Nyay Panchayat like a small court. There was very small dispute was settled, very minor cases was settled like thief and trespass and other petty crimes or some household crimes was solved there. No lawyer are needed for this. Okay. And it was settled very quickly. Now, what is the significance of the village Panchayat? What is the importance of the village Panchayat? In the light of the above discussion, what we know, what is village, what it helps, we find that village Panchayat play a very significant role, very important role. The following points may be noted in this connection. First, they help the people in solving their own problems and thus reduce the burden of the government. Next, they provide the first lesson in democracy by giving the village voters a chance to elect their panchayat. Next, they are primary centers to impart education in cooperation and self-help. Next, they teach villagers to be self-dependent, that is to develop their own resources. Next, they are the basis of Panchayati Raj. Next, they help to establish democracy at the grassroots level. These are the importance, significance of village Panchayat. Panchayats and state government. Panchayat are under the state government which can frame rules to regulate their working. It can appoint Panchayat inspector to supervise and check their work. The state government give grants and loans to the Panchayat. If its works is not satisfactory, the district authority can be directed to supersede it. Understand? The state government has power to control the Panchayat because they are giving them grant also, and if Panchayat is not working properly, the state government has authority or power to directed them and to supersede it. The State Election Commission is responsible to conduct the election of the Panchayat. The Panchayat are a strong link in the system of Panchayati Raj, which has been introduced in our country. Hope children you understand what is Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj is a form of local government in the rural area. It is divided into 3-tier system at village level, block level and Jilla Parishad or Jilla level, district level. Every village has a Gram Sabha. Every member above 18 years or above 18 are the member of Gram Sabha. They elected few people, 7, how many people they are going to elected to for Panchayati Raj? 7 to 30 members they are elected for the Panchayati Raj. Sarpanch is also called the head of the Panchayati Raj, and Panchayat secretary was appointed by the district magistrate or deputy commissioner to take care of the Panchayati Raj or to maintain and register their work of the Panchayat. State government gives some grants to Panchayat Raj and they regulate their working also, and they conduct the election of the Panchayati Raj. So read children, you will able to understand about the local self-government. Learn all the new words given in your book.